Okay, well, let's go and see what's up with the nuclear storm.
Let's clap back. We clapping. I already knew that by the sound of it. It's a power joke.
I was like,
That's a power joke. Fuck it.
cops again?
No.
Oh, yeah.
CMP
Yeah,
drive
piss
gas
right there.
jobbies. They don't drive power
You pissed right
jokes.
there.
Yeah, I did. Watch them out piss.
Powerful one.
There we go.
Comes out this way, right?
Oh, it comes out this way. It's gonna blow back at us. Oh shit.
Oh, this is on
Chevy truck. Gas jobby. I was right. See? Yeah.
Just in the nick of time to see their light show.
We clap back. We ain't even done yet.
They unleashed the whole artillery. That was
cool. They unleashed the whole artillery.
Now, if they're coming back, we're kicking it.
We still got Hiroshima, fucking Nagasaki.
Not the Saki.
hopefully this doesn't come back and blow our fucking faces off. Oh my god. Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Oh, this is getting kind of scary. Oh, that's right, bitches.
Let it burn Townie's toes off. That was good.
What now? Your turn, boys.